Good afternoon, my people. This is Marcos here. I'm currently in my Weibo account. This is Airbnb Inc. Ticker symbol ABNB. They just started trading basically around like 30 minutes maybe ago, something like that. They once reached when they came out right out the gate to around $163, and they currently hovering around the $148 mark. I can see that probably a lot of people maybe have lost money, the ones that bought it right out the gate, thinking that was going to keep going up like snowflake. Now, there's a possibility it could still go up more. I'm not saying that they're going to be, it's going to be stuck under 150 right now, like it's right now 148. It could go down lower, back down to the offering price of $68 per share. Because right now, currently, the price is a little high for a lot of people. It's currently over 117% of what it opened with. It says here on the 16th, they did the public filing, November 16th of 2020. And the offering range price when they first initially started was $56 to $60 per share. And they were going to issue 51.55 million shares. And the offering date ended today, December 9th. And they had a offering price around $68, which they way past that at the gate, starting gate. And they have post IPO outstanding is 597.45 million shares. And currently, this was yesterday, I'm sorry, the 9th. Today is the 10th. And today it became listed. Normally the big houses, big people that buy a lot of shares, they have first pick a lot of times into these IPOs. They're initial investors, so they buy at a real low price. And a lot of times us smaller investors, when we jump in, when it's starting to go up like initially did, or in the high $55 range, a lot of times we get stuck holding the bag of the high price shares, because a lot of these big companies that buy millions of shares, they go in at the initial offering price between $68 up to $90, $100, and they know that this is a hyped up stock already. A lot of people are talking about it in the media and in YouTube and in Facebook and everything. A lot of people are talking about this stock. It is a good stock. Because I don't know of any other platform that you can rent out a castle for your vacation. You can rent out a whole penthouse in South Miami. You could rent out a yacht for a whole weekend. You know, I don't know no other website you could do that. This is basically a website, a booking website that's on a class on its own. You could get basically anything from an apartment here. You could get a whole house, a tiny house, a tree house. Like I said, a castle, a yacht, just to make your vacation a better experience. So right now the price is hovering around 148, going up and down. Normally the price ticker changes that fast in the pennies, because they might be a lot of day traders jumping in and out of the stock. Day traders, normally they just go in and they buy maybe 10,000 shares, let's say at 148 and 10 cents. And when it gets up to 148 and 80 cents, they sell the shares. And they do it again. They wait again. When it comes back down, they rebuy again. And it goes back up, they redo it. And if you do the math, you might say, oh, it's only 80 cents or something like that, or 50 cents per share. But if you multiply that by, let's say, by 1,000 shares, times 30 to 40 times they do it, and maybe in an hour or 2 hour range, you're looking at thousands of dollars in profit they make. Some of them might lose money, but some of them make money, can make a lot of money out of this. Right now, the price is going down gradually, little by little. I was going to buy 5 shares up to a $80 value. I had it basically. But it's, like I said in the beginning, it shot up to over $160 per share. I'm not gonna purchase this at that ridiculous price point. You know, at currently, and I could probably maybe purchase like 5 shares around the $90 range, maybe $92, and it's still high risk. But I know this is a good long-term hold stock. Currently, today's range is between $145 and $165. It might go lower. And for the sakes of a lot of us that wants to jump in this stock, hopefully it does go to maybe a reasonable price point for we could jump in, even if it's for a little bit and it goes back up. Good for us, you know. This is Airbnb. They just started trading today publicly, December 10th, and it's currently 2:11 p.m. I just wanted to do this short video here to give you guys a heads up that you already started trading on the stock market. Airbnb, if you were interested in. Right now, me personally, I am not a financial advisor. For me, this price range is still too high for me. I'm looking to get in maybe in the 90s, around $94, $95. If less, even better. If I miss out on it, well, I missed out. Hopefully, whoever bought in at this price makes a lot of money. Good for you. But me, the normal working class, this is way too much for my price range. Thank you for your time, everybody. Hope everybody has a nice afternoon and good luck and happy tradings.